Hi students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. I am Tirupati Rao. Please subscribe our channel. So now we are discussing about some problems on radial probability distribution curve. Right, radial probability distribution curve. So the set of quantum numbers, n and L possible for the orbital shown in the radial probability curve are. So a radial probability curve is given. So here the plotting in this curve, the plotting is obtained by the plotting between a D. D means radial probability D, and radial distance like a R, its units are angstrom. Radial distance like R, its units are angstrom. So here set of quantum numbers are given. For first one, n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 2. Right, similar. So we know that number of peaks in a radial distribution curve for an orbital is equal to n minus L. Number of peaks is present in radial distribution curve for an orbital is equal to n minus L. We know that. So n minus L. Here how many peaks are present? N minus L is equal to how many peaks? N minus L is equal to how many peaks? Number of peaks. 1, 2. This is the one peak, this is another peak. 2 peaks. So 2 peaks. 2 peaks means the difference between n and L must be 2. So in these answers, n L difference 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. 3 minus 2 means 1. So this is not. And 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3. So this is also wrong. Here 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 means 2. So 2 peaks are obtained. So n minus L difference is equal to 2. So this is wrong. Right. This is the right answer. And n minus L 3 minus 3 0. So this is also wrong. So what is the right answer? Third one is the right answer. So this is over. Next. So I hope to clear this everyone. What is that? Here set of quantum numbers given per a radial distribution curve. So we know that in radial distribution curve number of peaks is equal to n minus L. So n minus L is equal to how many peaks? 1 peak, 2 peaks. N minus L is equal to 2. So in these answers, so the difference between the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number must be 2. That is right. So n L difference 1. So this is wrong. 4 minus 1, 3. This is also wrong. 2 minus 0, 2. That is the right. 3 minus 3 is 0. That is the wrong. Right. And next goes to second problem. The probability of finding electron in xy plane for pz orbital. We know that pz orbital. So this is the we can say this is z axis, this is y axis, this is x axis. Here the two dumbbells, like this is the probability of finding electron around the nucleus in 2 dumbbells, right? So here the 2 dumbbell, this is the dumbbell. What is the shape of a p orbital? Dumbbell, right? Dumbbell. So here the dumbbell is present. Here the dumbbell is along the z axis. That is the pz orbital. Pz orbital. Here xy is the imaginary plane. The xy is the imaginary plane. This imaginary plane is passing through the nucleus and separate the 2 lobes. That means here the xy plane is passing through it is an imaginary plane. It is passing through the nucleus, and where the probability of finding electron is 0. Here the probability of finding electron is 0. Here the probability of finding electron is present in only lobes, but not xy plane. That means the probability of finding electron in the xy plane is 0. So that is the answer, 0%, but not first one, second one, third one. So what is the answer? 0%. So xy plane is a nodal plane. What is the nodal plane? Nodal plane is the imaginary plane is passing through the nucleus of orbit where the probability of finding electron is 0. Here the probability of finding electron is 0. So 0%. In xy plane, probability of finding electron is 0. So that is the answer. So next sum, how many peaks and radial nodes are present in the radial probability curves of the 3s orbital? So right, number of peaks present in a radial distribution curve of an orbital is equal to n minus L. For 3s orbital, what is the n value? 3. What is the n value? 3. For L value, what is the L value? For L is equal, if L is equal to 0, that is the s orbital. So this is the s orbital. So its L value can be taken as 0. So that is 3. So number of peaks per 3s orbital is 3. Per 1s orbital 1 peak, per 2s orbital 2 peaks, per 3s orbital 3 peaks. Similarly 4s orbital. And number of peaks is over. Next, radial nodes. So radial nodes is equal to, what is the formula? Radial nodes is equal to n minus L minus 1. Radial nodes are spherical nodes or nodal space, all are same. N minus L minus 1. What is the n value? 3s. For 3s, n value 3, L value 0. For s orbital, L value 0 and minus 1. So 3, n minus L minus 1. N means 3, L value 0 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. So how many peaks? Right. A number of peaks for the 3s orbital is equal to 3. Radial nodes is equal to 2. And next sum. How many nodal planes and nodal regions are present for 3p orbital? So nodal plane is equal to, nodal plane or angular node, both are same. Nodal plane or angular node, both are same. So nodal plane is equal to, or angular node is equal to L, azimuthal quantum number, L value. So number of nodal planes or angular node is equal to L. For 3p orbital, what is the L value? Here p orbital, per L value, if L is equal to 1, that is the 3p. If L is equal to 1, that is the p orbital. So here the p orbital is there, its L value is 1. So 1. So number of nodal planes per 3p orbital is equal to 1. Next, nodal regions or nodal space, all are same. Nodal region or nodal space or node, radial node is equal to n minus radial nodes, all are same. Radial node, nodal regions, spherical nodes, all are same. N minus L minus 1. What is the n value? Per 3p orbital 3 minus, per p orbital L value 1 minus 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Number of nodal planes or angular nodes is equal to 1. Number of nodal regions or nodes is equal to 1. And goes to next sum. The correct radial probability distribution curve for the hydrogen atomic orbital. With n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1. N is equal to 3 and L minus. Okay, some radial distribution curves are given. So here D is the radial probability and R is the radial distance. So here 1 peak is observed, here 3 peaks is observed, here 2 peaks is observed. So number of peaks is equal to, we know that number of peaks is equal to n minus L. So what is the n value? 3. What is the L value? 1. So 3 minus 1 means 2. 3 minus 1 means 2. So here 1 peak is given, that is wrong. Here 3 peaks are given, that is wrong. And here 2 peaks are present, that is right. So this is the right answer. So number of peaks is equal to n minus L, where n is given 3, L is given 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.